Today we'll like to study about the dependent source. Dependent source is further divided into two categories. One is the dependent voltage source, okay, and another one is the dependent current source. Dependent source symbol is like a diamond shape symbol, like this is the diamond shape symbol, right? So if they said there is a dependent voltage source means that is denoted by positive and negative, okay. If they said like there is a dependent current source is denoted by the arrow. Clear? So this is the dependent voltage source and this is dependent current source. Again, dependent voltage source is further divided into two categories. Either it will be dependent on voltage or it will be dependent on current. Like suppose this is a plus minus. Plus minus means we are having voltage source. If its value is 2Vx, then tell me which source it is. It is known as VDVS. VDVS means it is depending on voltage, that's why it is known as voltage dependent, and positive negative is there, so it is known as voltage source. So combined it is known as voltage dependent voltage source. Clear? Now similarly again it is a voltage source, it can be dependent on current. Suppose its value is 2Ix. Now tell me which source it is. Current dependent voltage source, because positive negative is there and it is depending on current. Okay, I'll tell you also the how the question will solve based on this. Now similarly we are having dependent current source. Okay, dependent current source is denoted by an arrow. Again it is depending on two things again, or it will depend on voltage or it will depend on current. Suppose its value is 2Vx, so combine it and tell me which source it is. Voltage dependent current source. Again if it depends on current, then it is known as current dependent current source. Got it?